Let us discuss about the Constitution of India. Overview of the topic. Number 1. About Constitution of India. Number 2. Salient features of the Indian Constitution. And number 3. Schedules of the Constitution. Let's get started with the first one, that is Constitution of India. The Constitution of a country lays down the basic structure of the political system under which its people are to be governed. It establishes the main organs of the state, the legislature, the executive, and the judiciary, defines their powers, demarcates their responsibilities, and regulates their relationship with each other and with the people. Every constitution represents the vision and values of its founding fathers and is based on the social, political, and economic ethos and faith and aspirations of the people. Our constitution was drawn up by the Constituent Assembly, which was formed before our independence. This assembly was composed of the members selected by the provincial legislative assemblies. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the chairman of this Constituent Assembly. The draft constitution was prepared by the drafting committee under the guidance of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. The constitution was adopted by the Constituent Assembly on 26 November 1949. It came into full operation with effect from 26 January 1950. The constitution as originally adopted had 22 parts, 395 articles and 9 schedules. Its present text is amended from time to time. Till 2011, there had been as many as 97 amendments. Next, let us know some salient features of the Indian Constitution. Number 1. The Constitution of India is a written document. Number 2. The Constitution as originally adopted had 22 parts, 395 articles and 9 schedules. Number 3. It is partly rigid and partly flexible. Number 4. It declares India as a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic. Number 5. It guarantees fundamental rights to all the citizens of India. Number 6. It provides for single citizenship in India. Number 7. It is federal in nature with unitary features. Next, number 8. It introduces the principle of universal adult franchise. Number 9. It established the parliamentary form of government in India. Number 10. It provides for an independent judiciary. Number 11. It incorporates directive principles of state policy. Number 12. It lays down fundamental duties for citizens. And number 13, it recognizes the President as the constitutional head of the Union. And next we have schedules of the Constitution. First schedule, list of states and union territories. Second, salaries and emoluments of President, Governors, Chief Justice, Judges of High Courts and Supreme Court, Comptroller and Auditor General and other authorities. Third, forms of oaths and affirmation. Fourth schedule, allocation of seats in the Council of States. Fifth, provisions as to the administration and control of scheduled caste and scheduled tribes. Sixth, provisions for administration of tribal areas in the states of Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura and Mizoram. Seventh, allocates powers and functions between union and states. Contains 3 lists of subjects: Union list, state list and concurrent list. 8th, list of 22 official languages recognized by the Indian Constitution. 9th, contains acts and regulations relating to land tenure, land tax, railways and industries. 10th, provisions as to disqualification on ground of defection. 11th, powers, authorities and responsibilities of panchayats. And number 12th, powers, authorities and responsibilities of the 3 types of municipalities. If you guys liked this video, then please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. And do not forget to press the bell icon.